Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the DAXGD mobile phone screen magnifier. Now I've seen a couple devices online that claim to magnify your mobile phone screen while watching a movie or TV show, so in today's video we're going to find out if this product is any good and if it's worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. We hit our target in the previous video, so thank you so much again guys for constantly supporting the channel. Let's set a goal of 35 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the DAXGD mobile phone screen magnifier is a device that allows you to magnify your mobile phone screen of up to 12 inches in order to provide you with a larger view when watching videos from your mobile phone. The device also has speakers that connect to your phone via Bluetooth and is compatible for most mobile phones out there on the market. However, if you have a flip phone like I do, then you may notice the screen being a little off with some parts out of view. Finally, the device also has a last time of 4 to 5 hours and takes roughly around 2 hours until it's fully charged. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs around 280 grams and has a length of 20 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On front, you have the screen magnifier, as well as the Bluetooth speaker, micro USB input to charge your device, and buttons towards the bottom, which include volume control, skip, playback and power. Towards the back, you have a stand to place your mobile phone, as well as a USB-A port, which you can use to charge your mobile phone. And finally, the battery insert. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the device name and image of the screen magnifier. You also have a list of product features. On the side, you have the name again. And finally, towards the back, you have the name and image again, as well as product information. Inside the box, you get the 12-inch screen magnifier, as well as the Bluetooth speaker, one stand to hold your mobile phone, one rechargeable battery to power the Bluetooth speakers, one micro USB cable, and finally a user manual on how to set up. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by connecting the stand to the Bluetooth speaker, and then insert the rechargeable battery. Slide the screen magnifier on top, and then hold the power button, which will power the speakers. Navigate to your phone and select Bluetooth settings to locate the speakers. Pair your device, place your mobile phone on the stand, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. In terms of magnification, the device actually does work when it comes to magnifying your screen to get a larger view. However, I'll be honest guys, when it comes to picture quality, it's really not the greatest, especially during lighter conditions. During the dark, there's a slight improvement, but it's not crystal clear. On the other hand, the speakers for the device are really good and work great when watching a TV show, movie, or YouTube video. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, the device works well and does exactly what it says on the box. If screen size is more important to you than picture quality, then yes, by all means, grab this device ASAP. However, for me, the final picture quality was a bit of a letdown. The speakers on the device are also great and super easy to set up. If your phone is on the larger side or is a flip device like mine, then you may not get the best viewing experience like I did when using my Samsung Galaxy Fold. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the DAXGD 12-inch screen magnifier from Amazon for around £17, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on today's product, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.